Dragon's Hiccups by Jenny Jinks and Martin Remphry. Dimpy the dragon had the hiccups, dragon hiccups. Every time she went hic, fire came out of her mouth. Dimpy's friends wanted to help her. Everyone went to Dimpy's house for lunch. But then, Dimpy took the chips out of the oven. Yum, she said. Hic, went Dimpy. Oh no, everyone said. So they all went to Sal's house for lunch. Here you are, said Sal, and she gave Dimpy some cake. But then, hic, went Dimpy. Oh no, said Sal. Hold your breath, said Sal. That will stop the hiccups. Dimpy held her breath,